with a girl that works in a shop. Oh my god, a shop. Look at me. Okay, I get it. Her body's a bit bigger than mine, but mine is growing. Right, Mom? And a shop though, Mom?
Tony yan!
Okay, I know when you come look for me, you know, you just feel it.
Tony yan, you have a nice smile, you know?
Kareem, stop with me and blush now.
But look here.
You bring more Alfred chicken for me?
No, it's not Alfredo chicken, but you like it.
Then how are you? Kareem, I'm mackerel and rice, please.
Tony, this is not just mackerel and rice. This is mackerel and prawns in marinara sauce infused with coconut rice. What are you talking about? Try it.
Tiffany, what the hell is wrong with you?
I got big butts, I never tell you a lie.
Are you crazy? Kareem likes big butt. He didn't tell me that, you know. I would have worked harder and growing my butt and stuff. Oh, Mom, you hit me.
Is that taste or punishment? Tiffany.
So, restaurant open already?
Shop boss, you know how long me I look for you? You want to see how long in my general?
I never know say you fly up the thing before me even give you the go ahead, brother.
No man, I just cook some food for Carrie come get Tony.
This so you go youth. Tony, what in a plastic container?
Him say mackerel and rice with franks with coconut marry.
So you go on youth. You know say me go give you a place still.
Amen.
Watch your style there. Little more.
Shopping.
Make Tony and give me number.
Shopping.
And show.
Shopping! Shopping, we are going to food! How many?
Oh, you see my going food in your life and I'll stop you there.
Shopping!
Oh, damn. I'm not going to food, but what do you man? Come on, hold on the thing. You see me how deal it?
I said I really make you go for food, Kareem.
I don't know what you want shop you have for the chemistry. Back to business. Taste the food.
Kareem, I eat with fork, you know. Where's spoon?
I never did know that, Tony.
I show you how to it tastes good, man. So for people who are coming by me, I'm going
I tell you food have to taste good. And what you know now? Shoppy say me get the place. And this man say me get the place, Tony. Yeah! Yeah! Me get the place. Yeah, Tony. Okay, I'm the man. I'm happy, man. Me get the place. Yes. Me get the place to on here and we did it. And what you know, no? Now is the time. The time is now. No.
Got me in the moment, you see. Come a little closer to me. It's the roller coaster. Don't feel defeated. I'll give you motive. I'll give you a reason. I can't find your